How to create an Instagram account, create new Instagram profile. Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be quickly walking ourselves through how you're going to create an Instagram profile. So create an Instagram profile, what you're going to do is we're going to come over here, okay? And you can either log out of any existing account or we can just come to Instagram, create account, okay? You're going to come here and it takes you to the register section. Now you're going to come to register. Again, you can either log out of some certain account that you have, or I'm just, let's say gonna click on log into certain account. So basically, this is how you're gonna access the creation of an account. So the best way, in my opinion, again, as I said, is to log out, and that's gonna take you to the whole account logging in section, or you can even go to your incognito mode. And incognito mode stays best because they don't really mess around with like you already have an account logged in or anything. So just come over to incognito mode. Over there, they're going to take you to the account creation. So just go ahead, add an email, add a password, and then log in. And there you go. That is about it. You don't need any verification or anything. You just have an Instagram account made. So that is how easy and simple it is. Again, make sure to go to sign up, and this is where you're just signing up, and everything should be good to go from here. You can also log in with your Facebook if you want to, log in with your phone number or email, full name, username, password, click on sign up, and you're going to be good to go. So yeah, that is how you're going to create an Instagram account. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.